Want to get student discount on HP laptop? Here's how to get your exclusive discount. First thing you want to do is launch open any web browser. Now tap on the search bar and search for HP Student Store. Then you want to head over to the official website of HP, which is hp.com. Once you get here, you want to tap on the create account option. Now enter details such as first name, last name, email address, password, then tap on the create option. Make sure to register using your official university or institutional email. HP may validate your status via email or verification link. Once registered, you'll unlock access to student-only pricing and promotions. Now, after logging in, you'll see products tagged for student pricing. Laptops, desktops, printers, and accessory qualify. Discounts may vary but often reach up to 40% off for selected models. Select your desired device, add them to your cart, then proceed to checkout. Students can sometimes combine these special offers with other time-limited sales. Once you proceed to checkout using Education Store account, you want to make sure your email verification is complete. HP offers free or fast shipping during student promotion. And that's it. As a verified student or educator, you can save significantly on HP Tech. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.